Now, we will be discussing about the four modes of speciation. The speciation is defined as the formation of new distinct species that is classified based on how much geographic separation of species that can contribute to reduce the gene flow.
Allopatric speciation. In allopatric speciation, the two populations of the same species become isolated from each other due to geographical changes. These geographical changes may include the new formation of mountain ranges, new waterways, and canyons. Members of the population become so different to the point that they cannot breed with each other. In terms of isolation, allopatric speciation can be classified as vicariance, where the separation is caused by a geographic barrier, adaptive radiation, where the species diversify and adapt to their environment, dispersal, where the species move to another new geographic.
Grand Canyon squirrels. When the Grand Canyon was formed, it created a natural barrier between the squirrels living in the area. About 10,000 years ago, the squirrel population was separated from each other by this geographical change and could no longer live in the same area. Over thousands of years, the divided squirrel population became two different species.
Peripatric speciation. A special version of allopatric speciation where a small group of individuals detach from the main group and develop new species. Here's a very hypothetical example of how peripatric speciation mode works. Fruit lice laying their eggs on rotten bananas, and these rotten bananas is washed up on an island. The larvae that survive in the rotten bananas may possess some genes that are rare in the main group.
Parapatric speciation. Para meaning beside and patric meaning place. It happens when subpopulations of the same species are separated from each other by temporal or behavioral factors. The most well-known example of parapatric speciation is found in the grass population of Agrostis tenuis. In this case, gene flow occurs between subpopulations on and off mine tailings, but hybridization is inhibited by slight differences in flowering time between the two.
Lastly is sympatric speciation. Sim means same while patric means place. It happens when two groups of species that lives in the same location evolve differently that they no longer.
Best example of this speciation is the apple maggot flies. Originally, the host of these flies is the hawthorn trees, but when the apple was introduced, it became the new host of the other flies, making it two different species.